Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for Amazon seller tips and tricks. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to reactivate a closed listing on Amazon Seller Central. The first step is to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're on your dashboard, we'll head over to the Inventory tab. This is where you'll find all your listings. Click on Manage Inventory. This will show you a list of all your active, inactive, and closed listings. Now, let's locate the closed listing you want to reactivate. Look for the status that says Closed. Now, you can click on the reactivated listing just below the closed. To reactivate the listing, click the three-dot icon next to it and click on Relist from the drop-down. This will open up the product details page where you can make necessary changes to your listing. Check all the key details of your listing like the product price, quantity, and any other information. Once you're satisfied, click on Save and Finish. Once you've saved the changes, Amazon will process your request. Reactivating a listing is usually instant, but it may take a few minutes to update on the product page. Let's refresh the page. And that's it. Reactivating a closed listing on Amazon Seller Central is that simple. Whether you're relisting a seasonal item or fixing an accidental closure, you now know exactly what to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel